Hi guys, now we are going to solve this nice olympiad problem. 9 to the power x minus 6 to the power x is equal to 4 to the power x. What we have to do is, you just divide throughout this equation by this 4 to the power x in order to make this right hand side to be 1. Okay, so divide this by 4 to the power x. Then the given problem becomes 9 to the power x by 4 to the power x minus 6 to the power x by 4 to the power x is equal to 4 to the power x by 4 to the power x. So these two terms get cancelled, and here you have a to the power x by b to the power x is there. You can write this to be a by b whole to the power x because both the powers are same. So using this idea, we write this to be 9 over 4 whole to the power x minus 6 over 4 whole to the power x is equal to 1 here. Okay, and here you can write 3 times 2 is 6 and 2 times 2 is 4. So you can, and here this is not, we can't cancel this term. So we write again this to be 3 squared is 9 and 2 squared is 4. You can write this way. Okay, 2 squared is equal to, sorry, here you have a 2 squared is equal to 4. So whole to the power x you can write minus 3 by 2 whole to the power x is equal to 1. Or again you write using this, you can write this to be 3 by 2 whole to the power 2 the whole power x minus 3 by 2 whole to the power x is equal to 1. But you know that a to the power m whole to the power n can be written as a to the power n whole to the power m. You can interchange the powers like this. So using this, you can write this to be 3 by 2 whole to the power x the whole squared minus 3 by 2 whole to the power x is equal to 1. Now what we had to do was, you just take this term to be some variable. You substitute this to be some variable for easy simplification. So we write, let y is equal to 3 by 2 whole to the power x. Then what happened is, this becomes y and power 2 is here, so y squared minus here this becomes y is equal to 1. Or otherwise you can take this one to other side. So y squared minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic expression like this. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here this type of equations, how will you find out the roots of this? Y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a we have. But what is the values of a, b and c? Compare this here. A is equal to 1 here and b is equal to minus 1 and c is also equal to minus 1. So just substitute the values here. So which is equal to minus here, minus of b is minus 1 plus or minus root of b squared is minus 1 the whole squared minus 4. A is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 1 divided by 2 times a is equal to 1. Okay, which is equal to minus minus it becomes plus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 1 the whole squared is 1, and here you have a minus and here you have minus. Minus into minus it becomes plus 4 divided by 2. Okay, or you can write 1 plus or minus root 5 over 2, that is the value of y. So again you can write this to be y is equal to 1 plus or minus root 5 over 2. Okay, so from this you can write two values for y. Y is equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2 or and y is equal to 1 minus root 5 over 2. This is not r, this is and y is equal to 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. But according to our substitution, what is the value of y we taken? Y is equal to 3 by 2 whole to the power x. Replace y is equal to 3 by 2 whole to the power x is equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2, and y is equal, sorry, not y, we take it to be 3 by 2 whole to the power x is equal to 1 minus root 5 over 2, because we had to solve for x. Nothing, the condition is not mentioned in our problem, so we have to give all the solutions. So from this you can write this to be taking log on both sides, log 3 by 2 whole to the power x is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2. Or you can write, here you can take this x here, because log a whole to the power b is equal to b log a, you can write it. So we can write this to be, take x here, x log 3 by 2, sorry, is equal to here log 1 plus root 5 over 2. Or you can have x is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2 divided by log 3 by 2. Or you can write this to be, this is the value of x. Or you can write, suppose you have log a by b is there, you can write this to be, here suppose this type of log function is there, you can write this to be log a over b. So using this formula we can write this to be x is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2 to the base 3 over 2. This is the value of x, one value for x. In the same way, we had to find out another value for x using this. Here we have again taking log on both sides, log 3 by 2 whole to the power x is equal to 1 minus root 5 over 2, or you have x log 3 by 2 is equal to, sorry, here you have to take log, okay, log 1 minus root 5 over 2, or you have x is equal to log 1 minus root 5 over 2 divided by log 3 by 2, or you can write this to be using the same formula here. You can write this to be log a is written here 1 minus root 5 by 2, and this denominator is written in the base, log 1 minus root 5 by 2 base 3 by 2. So another value for x is this, log 1 minus root 5 over 2 base 3 by 2. This is the another possible value for x. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more